Welcome to my was it? It was something volcano. It was the blazed flaming volcano. So welcome to my review of the flaming volcano. Were you on the other team? You on the other team? Bad boy. So this is my favorite gun in particular. It's my favorite. I just got it today, and yes, it's my favorite weapon of all times in Pixelgun. Even though it's short range, it is still pretty good. We rest in peace. So I'm gonna be doing a gameplay of it. What? I said the guy spawned there, so I'm going to be doing a gameplay of the flaming volcano. That's what it's called. And yeah, this is gonna be uploaded not on my 50 subs. I think it's gonna be uploaded when I have right now I have 49 subscribers. I'm not gonna be uploading this one on the 50 subscribers. It's gonna be uploaded on my 49 subscribe when I have 49 subscribers. If someone just subscribed now, it's going to be a 50 subscribers special, but I'm not sure. So what? I'm going to be joining the red team. And yes, so get into this gameplay. So yeah, so I'm gonna be cutting off here. So see you guys until the end of the video. Enjoy. That was an accident of buying the grenades. What a waste. I just wasted so much. Clutch moment, clutch! Hope you guys enjoy. Please, I'm not done with the video yet. I can be showing you the stats of the weapon. I'm gutted that I just wasted 15 coins on grenades, but YOLO. So these are the stats. Wait, was it? 9 lethality, 60 capacity, 110 mobility, fire rate is 98. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.